The man who became larger than life has now become immortal in a different way. Chuck Norris, the martial arts icon and action film legend, has died at the age of 86. And within minutes of the news breaking, something extraordinary happened. The internet didn't just mourn him, it turned him into a legend all over again. Social media platforms exploded, not with silence, not with somber tributes, but with something uniquely fitting: the return of the Chuck Norris facts. Short, exaggerated, almost mythical statements that defined an entire era of internet culture. Statements like, Chuck Norris doesn't do push-ups, he pushes the earth down. And suddenly, millions were sharing them again. Not as jokes, but as a tribute. Because Chuck Norris was never just an actor, he was an idea. Born in Oklahoma in 1940, Norris began his journey far from Hollywood. He served in the United States Air Force, where he first discovered martial arts, a discipline that would define his life. Over the years, he mastered multiple forms of combat: karate, taekwondo, judo, Brazilian jiu-jitsu. This wasn't movie magic. This was real. By the early 1970s, Norris had transitioned into cinema. His breakthrough came in 1972, starring alongside Bruce Lee in Way of the Dragon. That fight scene would go on to become one of the most iconic martial arts moments in film history. But Norris wasn't just a fighter. He was building a persona. Through films like Delta Force and Missing in Action, he became the embodiment of strength, resilience, and justice. The quiet hero, the unstoppable force. And then came television, Walker, Texas Ranger, a role that would define him for an entire generation. As Cord Walker, Norris wasn't just enforcing the law. He was redefining what toughness looked like on screen. Calm, disciplined, unshakable. The show ran for nearly a decade. And by then, Chuck Norris wasn't just famous. He was myth. That myth took a new form in the early days of the internet. The rise of Chuck Norris facts. What started as simple jokes quickly became a global phenomenon. Millions of people across countries and cultures contributed to building a fictional version of Norris, one that could do anything: outrun time, defeat gravity, rewrite reality. And now, in a moment that feels almost surreal, those same jokes are being used to remember him. Not because people don't take his death seriously, but because those jokes capture something deeper: respect, admiration, and a recognition that Chuck Norris was never ordinary. Tributes from fans, celebrities, and fellow martial artists continue to pour in, many highlighting not just his on-screen achievements, but his discipline, his service, and his influence on generations. He leaves behind his wife, Gaina O'Kelly, and 5 children. But more than that, he leaves behind a legacy that exists in 2 worlds: the real world and the one the internet created for him. A place where Chuck Norris doesn't die. Because legends don't. As the world reflects on his life, one thing is clear: Chuck Norris didn't just entertain millions. He became a symbol of strength, of resilience, of something bigger than reality itself. And in the end, the memes didn't diminish him. They made him unforgettable.